how to remove a phone number from your Google account. This is super simple, so let's dive right into the video. If you want to delete a phone number from your Google account, here's how you do it. First, open your internet browser and go to google.com. Make sure you are signed in to your account. You will see your profile picture in the top right corner. If it's not there, log into your account. Next, click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Manage your Google account. This will open your account settings. From here, navigate to the Personal Info tab. Scroll down until you see the phone section. Click on the phone number listed there. On the right hand side, you will see a trash can icon to delete the phone number. Google will ask you to sign in again for security reasons. Enter your password and confirm. Once you have logged in again, a confirmation window will appear. Click remove number and the phone number will be completely removed from your Google account. And here we go. Now you know how to remove a phone number from your Google account. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if for more tutorials like this.